Hi friends, my name is Narsimha and I'm studying in BTech in Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, as a part of my AAT concept videos, in the subject of data wrangling with Python, I want to explain about a topic named data cleaning using fuzzy logic. So we all are familiar with data cleaning. Means what explain about it, I will share. So have a look about this slide. In this slide, I want to explain about data cleaning. Data cleaning is a process of fixing or removing incorrect, corrupted, incorrectly formatted, duplicate, or incomplete data within a data set. When combining multiple data sources, there are many opportunities for data to be duplicated or mislabeled. If data is incorrect, outcomes and algorithms are unreliable, even though they may look correct. There is no one absolute way to prescribe the exact steps in data cleaning process because the processes will vary from dataset to dataset. But it is crucial to establish a template for your data cleaning process so you know you are doing it the right way every time. For example, we are taking any database or we are taking any database in that we are, for example, in a college database is there. And the student details and the faculty details and the salaries to be given and the student hall ticket details, attendance details, all should be dumped into that database. So when they are typing into the database, there will be chance, means there is an opportunity for getting the duplicated data or mislabeled data such as missing data, missing values will be there. If we are not doing the data cleaning process for the data set, and when the results are taking place, means the count of any column or the sum of any column or any average of any column, there will be chance of getting incorrect results. So we cannot get correct results. So data cleaning should be performed. Means for every incorrect data or corrupted data, incorrectly formatted data or duplicate data, there are many chances of getting duplicate data. So in that way, the anomalies or the duplicate data should be removed for getting the clear statistical measures for any observations. Next. So this is about data cleaning. Next slide. Fuzzy matching. So in this, from here onwards, our main topic is going to start it. What is this fuzzy matching and why it is being developed and why we are using this fuzzy matching? Fuzzy matching is a machine learning method used for data wrangling and data deduplication. Fuzzy matching, first of all, in a common word, I want to say it is a membership operator, for example. Before going to the fuzzy matching, I want to say a normal example. There are two sets. In one set, there are all the person's names who are below 20. In another data set, there are all our person names who are above 20. A person age is 19. So is an 100% membership in the first set because it is below 20. A person is 25 or 35. Is an 100% membership in the next data set 2. If a person age is 20 years and 1 day, so we'll treat him in the data set of set 2. Because while it is not correct, because due to the difference of only 1 day, his 100% operation membership is going from data set 1 to set 2. So, if, for example, by using fuzzy matching, we can say that he has 99% membership in set 1 and 1% in set 2. So, equal preference will be given fees for his age. So, this is the usage of the fuzzy matching. Here we are seeing that fuzzy matching is a machine learning method used for data wrangling and data deduplication, means removing the duplicates. Fuzzy matching, shortly abbreviated as FM, it identifies similar but not identical elements in the data table sets. Fuzzy matching is also known as fuzzy logic, fuzzy string matching. Fuzzy matching provides an improved ability to process word-based matching queries to find matching phrases or sentences from a database. When an exact match is not found for a sentence or phrase, fuzzy matching can be applied. When we see and we're seeing with our naked eye, from dataset to dataset, the matching process means the cleaning process should be changed because for each dataset, we cannot use same cleaning process. So in that way, when we done all the cleaning process, but then also exact match is not finding by us for a sentence or a phrase when we are using fuzzy matching. There are many methods like fuzzy dot ratio, fuzzy dot R ratio, fuzzy dot weighted ratio, etc. Next slide. Fuzzy matching. So here onwards, our main topic will be started. Fuzzy matching is a technique used in computer-assisted translation as a special case of record linkage. It works with matches that may be less than 100% perfect when finding correspondences between segments of a text and entries in a database of previous translations. It usually operates at sentence level segments, but some translation technology allows matching at a phrasal level. It is used when a translator is working with translation memory TM. It uses approximate string matching. Next. So in this previous video, I would say about fuzzy matching. This is about continuation only. Please have a look. Next. Fuzzy matching algorithm means the steps involved in fuzzy matching. For any algorithm, for any matching, there will be steps. In this fuzzy matching algorithm, first step is remove duplicates. The first step removing duplicates names or empty strings. In this first step, we have to remove the duplicates, mean the same repeated data, and the empty strings, when there are missing data, means emptily, this is unobserved. We have to delete it by replacing with a dropna, or dropna is a method in the Python, replacing it with mean or median or mode or acceptable data. Pre-processing, step and step. Pre-processing. The second step involves pre-processing the data. Here, we have to apply text mining techniques such as streaming, limmatization, stop words removal, trimming, remove accents, remove all non-alphanumeric characters, replace multi-spaces, remove duplicate words from a record. Number 2, string transformation, uppercase transformation, and special characters replacements. So these all are the methods involved in pre-processing. By doing this pre-processing, we can then clear data up to the mark. So this is the second step involved in fuzzy matching algorithm. Next, matching process. The string matching occurs after performing the pre-processing step. The matching process typically involves a distance function. The distance function tells us the level of similarity between the two strings. Usually the distance is displayed as a number from 0 to 100. However, thus output depends on the type of distance function. Common distance function uses such as Leibnizian be used. So here in this matching process, I want to explain that how is the distance method is being used. In this third step, the matching process, I want to explain that the distance method means, for example, in a simple way, I want to say that two words are there, but we want to show the difference. One is in uppercase, one is in lowercase. First, in the second step, we have to pre-processing, we have to change the lowercase to uppercase or the same way. And next, we have to say the matching process. This based on the alphabets and based on the numbers, it will say how much percent the matching process has been done on those two strings. Next, this is about the algorithm. Why do business need fuzzy matching? Research reveals that 94% of business admit to having duplicate data, and the majority of these duplicates are non-exact matches and therefore usually remain undetected. Fuzzy matching, the software helps you make those connections automatically using sophisticated pre-probability matching logic, regardless of spelling errors, unstandardized data, or incomplete information. For example, we are using MS Word or MS PowerPoint. While we are entering any spelling mistake data, then we'll see that there will be a red mark at that point, showing that this spelling is not correct. Please correct your spelling. So in this way, in many business databases, they are using fuzzy matching techniques. Next, pros and cons, with the advantages of disadvantages of the fuzzy matching. Since fuzzy matching is based on probabilistic approach to identifying matches, it can offer a wide range of benefits such as higher matching accuracy. Fuzzy matching proves to be a far more accurate method of finding matches across two or more datasets, unlike deterministic matching that determines matching on zeros or ones basis. And fuzzy matching can detect variations that lie between zeros and ones based on the given matching threshold. Next. Second, provides solutions to complex data. Fuzzy logic, this is about provide solutions to the complex data and easily configurable to affect false positives. And next, fuzzy logic also enables users to find matches by linking records that consist of slight variations. Let's have a look about this slide. And next is about better suited to finding matches without a consistent unique identifier. However, fuzzy matching is not without limitations. This can incorrectly link different entities, difficult to scale across larger data sets, can require considerable testing for validation. So not only pros, the cons also means that disadvantages also there is fuzzy matching, that is can incorrectly link different entities, means the different link can be given, and it is very difficult for larger data sets and require considerable testing for validation. Means after validation, the testing should be in a proper way. So thank you, friends. I hope my lecture is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.